Hello everyone, this is Akira and welcome back to my channel. So today's vlog is I'm gonna show you on how to dry flowers or bouquet of flowers and how to preserve them. So guys, the other day Matthew gave me these beautiful flowers as a gift for our wedding anniversary. You've seen this one in my previous vlog when we celebrate our anniversary, guys. So if you haven't seen the vlog, I'm gonna put the link above. So guys, I don't like to throw them away afterwards if lanta na siya, guys. So I plan to dry them out and preserve them para matreasure ko naman yung binibigay ng asawa ko sa akin, guys, because this is so gorgeous and flowers are so precious, guys, and it's kind of expensive, so I don't like to throw them away if lanta na siya, guys. So all the things that you need is scissor, and you also need something na maitatali mo, guys. So I'm using yarn, or it's up to you kung anong gagamitin nyo, basta pangtali siya, guys. And you also need some hanger. This is only an optional, guys, ha, kasi dito ko itatali yung flowers. So the first thing I'm gonna do is to remove the cover and cut the stem out. So remove lang natin. Such a pretty flowers, guys. It's so gorgeous. This is the bouquet, guys. It's so pretty. Ano siya, guys? And it's so pretty. So guys, natanggal ko na yung cover. Dito na lahat yung flowers at mayroong mga dahon dito, guys, and I'm not sure if pwede ko silang ma-preserve, pero I will try. Dadry ko sila lahat. So magka-cut lang ako sa steam, guys. Ika-cut ko sila konti isa-isa para madali siyang ma-dry. So, anyway, isisit aside ko lang yung tapos ko ng makat. Later na ako magde-decide if i-include ko sila sa pag-preserve. Pero ito, so pretty. Malapit na siyang malanta, guys. So, I need to dry them kasi meron kaming, mag-out of town kami this weekend at wala na akong time. Bilhin ako ng mga ganito para mahang ko sila, guys, like that, upside down sa hanger. Tapos na akong mag-cut sa steam. So kinakat ko sila, guys, para mabilis sila mag-dry. So I decided not to include this one. Ito, hindi ko na lang sila ini-include, guys, kasi hindi naman siya, wala siyang masyadong flowers. So, hindi ko na lang siya ini-include. So, ito lang yung mga kinakat ko, guys. Ito yung i-preserve ko. Ayan. Just a piece of advice, you need to keep them in the shade. Like, not exposed to the sun para magstay yung kulay niya, guys. Hindi siya mag-bleach, hindi siya ma-turn to white or ma-turn to brown. So, need siya i-keep sa a bit darker. So meron kaming empty closet, so I plan to put the hanger there and hang them there for 2 to 3 weeks until mag-dry out siya, guys. So I'm gonna do it right now. So, hinahang ko na siya, guys. So, sineseparate ko yung flowers at ito. Ayan. Kung ano yung pareha, sila yung i-group ko. So, tapos ko na silang mahang. Ayan, I think I need another hanger for this. At saka for this, so, siniseparate ko yung mga maliliit, guys. And ihahang ko sila sa closet namin, sa wardrobe. Ayan. And then, I'm gonna wait 2 to 3 weeks until mag-dry out sila, guys. And then after that, ipipreserve ko sila. I'm planning to put this on the frame. But we'll see. It depends, guys, kung ano yung maisipan ko. Basta gusto ko lang na ma-preserve ko sila at hindi masasayang yung binigay ng asawa sa akin. So, ito na lang, guys. Siniseparate ko yung maliliit. So, malapit na ako matapos. Ito na lang last. So, ayoko masayang yung binibili ng asawa ko sa akin. Kasi, pangatlo na to, guys. Yung first at second, tinapon ko. Kasi, hindi ko alam na pwede palang ma-preserve yung flowers. So, marami akong narinig na pwede pala. At nag-search ako. So, yun. Tsaka, hindi siya masasayang, guys. Kasi, medyo may kamahalan. Tapos na ako magtali sa mga flowers. Ito na, nahahang ko na sila sa hanger. Meron akong dalawang hanger dito. So, I'm gonna put them in the closet. So, yung closet namin, guys, is ano siya, dark siya, super shade, walang makakapasok na sunlight doon. So, which is good para magstay yung kulay niya, guys. Hang this upside down and wait na mag-dry siya in a few weeks. We'll just wait in a few weeks if what's gonna happen, kung ano yung resulta, at kung ano yung gagawin ko sa kanila. So, I'll see you in a few weeks. Hello again, guys. I'm back after 2 weeks. Here we are again. So the date today is the 31st of January 2020 and it's been 2 weeks that I dried out the flowers. So now I'm gonna show you what it looks like after 2 weeks. So these are my dried flowers after 2 weeks and this is what it looks like now. So super dry na niya, guys. And as you notice, the color is still there. Ayan, hindi siya nag-bleach or nag-look pale or nag-brown. Andyan pa yung kulay niya, guys. Kasi I didn't put this directly to the sunlight. Nilagay ko siya sa shade. So, kung ilalagay mo siya directly to the sunlight, guys, mawawala yung color niya. So, hindi na siya magmukhang ganito. Mabibleach siya. Magmukha siyang puti or brown. So, that's the point na need mo siyang ilagay sa shade para magstay yung kulay niya, guys. Ayan. So, super ganda. So, what I'm gonna do now is I'll put these flowers dito sa frame. So, meron akong 8x10 and 6x8 inches size of frame. Ayan, guys. So, I bought this one yesterday para ma-proceed ko na ang pag-preserve ko dito sa flowers, guys. Ayan. So, what are we waiting for? Let's start! So, yung plano ko, guys, is ilagay ko ba siya ng ganyan or I can put that way inside. So, unahin ko muna ito, guys. I'm gonna put this one dito sa side. So, meron akong glue dito, guys. Ito yung gagamitin ko para madikit ko siya dito. Tapos na siya, guys. I'm gonna put this one dito sa frame. Ilagay ko siya first dito. Yan. So, i-press ko lang. And the next is these flowers na, guys. So, So, itatali ko lang siya dito, guys. Ayan. Using this one para hindi siya mag-spread. And then, I want to put my picture right here in the middle para makita nila, guys, kung ano yung hitsura before na fresh pa siya, guys. Yung hindi pa siya preserved, yung hindi pa siya dried. Yan, so I want to put this one in the center. So now, guys, I need to press the flowers para ma-close ko siya at ma-finalize na. Yan, so ito. Finally, natapos ko na rin ang aking project. So, I'm gonna show you the finished product. Ayan, I'm so proud! Ayan! Ito yung finished product, guys. So pretty! I love the result! Oh, so happy! So guys, I'm so happy sa outcome, sa finished product ko. So if bibigyan kayo ng bouquet of flowers sa boyfriend nyo, sa husband nyo, or sa loved ones nyo, you don't need to throw the flowers. You can preserve them like this na ginawa ko. Or you can search more on the internet sa iba't ibang design kung paano nyo ma-preserve yung flowers. So, and if you like this video, I hope you don't forget to give me thumbs up. And feel free to share. And if you're new here to my channel, I hope you don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you will be notified for my next vlog. So thank you so much for watching. I hope meron kayong natutunan sa video ko. I hope this video helps. So thank you guys and I'll see you next time. Bye!